Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of The Paper Engineer. I have been on the internet and I looked up paper engineering and stuff like that. And there are some amazing things out there, really, really cool, made out of paper. It's fantastic stuff. I would like to be in that same category. And it'll be up to you as viewers to let me know what I can change or help or move forward with. I'd love to be there. So, what would you like to know?
Go ahead and tell me about those, the ones with the writing on them.
Oh, these. Okay. Well, in our game playing, I played a bothan. I was kind of into Spynet, but not really. I was more helping people out from planet to planet. And I started a company called Bob's Transport. And if you're familiar with Star Wars writing, you'll be able to read this. This is one of Bob's custom-made ships, and he did a lot of transport work with this, people, cargo, and helping out a lot. And this one over here, I don't exactly remember what this one says. I don't remember now. But anyway, it was a destroyer, and these are thrust vectoring engines so that it could turn on basically a dime. And I had a blast making this. This was a lot of fun. But anyway, if you all understand the lettering, and I would have to dig out my books to reread this, you can read these parts and you'll know what it says. So anyway, there's a little bit of my background in Star Wars.
And how about the destroyer and the barricade?
This one, the blockade runner?
Blockade
the
runner.
Tantive?
Tantive, thank you.
Yes, the Tantive. Well, as you all know, well, most of my age knows, the very first scene of the Star Wars movie, which is kind of what got me just absolutely hooked, was this little bitty, and actually it was a little bit bigger, it was about like that size, come flying into the scene, and it's being shot at by something that's being shot at. It sounds like the waggons. And so, fits right inside where it absolutely was supposed to go, and yeah, and so that is, I guess that's a lead-in. So I've made more of those, I think, than anything else. I made 3 of these Tantives. This one, and a friend of mine in prison named Kiva, he's the one that did painting for me, because I was busy building, but he was a really good painter. And so I'd make him ships and he would paint stuff for me. He's the one that painted this. And he used basically a needle to paint with, which was very, very cool. And so, yeah, he's a really good painter. And so that's how come these paint jobs look so much better than my paint jobs. My paint jobs aren't that good. And let's see, since you've seen these, I guess we can go to this one next. This was the 3rd Tantive I built. Yeah. And it's accurate. The 2 escape pods that were jettisoned. The guns all swivel. So if it can move, it can be made to move in paper. The communications array. Yeah, and that takes care of the Tantive. And I can, let's see, I should have brought the stand with it. And I build custom stands with everything that I do so that it pretty much tells as much as I can. This build, I didn't, at this point in time, I was not counting my parts. Hi, Crazy Kitty. It took 210 hours to build this. But if you break it down to roughly 10 hours twice a week, like Saturday and Sunday, or 5 hours on Saturday and 5 hours on Sunday, it doesn't take a whole lot of time to be able to produce out of paper something that you really love to make. And there is a finished toy that you can play with. If it breaks, it's paper. You can probably glue it back together. And yeah, they're super strong. There we go. Thank you very much for watching and have a terrific day.